Where do you think the court is headed on the Roe v. Wade case?
I think they're going to significantly cut it back. They're going to go in the right direction, which is getting back to the original text of the Constitution, which doesn't even mention this. The person we talked about on Tuesday before the oral arguments to watch was Kavanaugh, and there were two different positions Kavanaugh took. Number one, he was very, very clear that the court shouldn't be doing this anyway. It's not in the Constitution, for or against. They need to push it back to the states and then let the states decide. Push it back to Congress, which is where this should be done. But the second thing he made a big deal of, which Clarence Thomas also did, is there's two rights at stake here. There's the stake of the unborn life, but then the mother. So we have competing interests of these two things, and we've only talked about one, not the other. And so I look for them to significantly curtail. I don't see that they'll completely erase it in one case, but they might.
Yeah, okay, so they come back together on Friday, and what happens then? We won't get a result until later.
Yeah, there's a secret ballot that they do, I think, on Wednesdays and Fridays, where after oral arguments, they'll kind of do a straw poll. But honestly, they already know where they are. They've already read all the briefs and all the different positions. The oral argument, honestly, is maybe 5% of their total makeup. And it's them trying to, you saw Roberts, who's worried mostly about his reputation because it's the Roberts court, trying to make a compromise. They weren't going for it. And we were watching Kavanaugh, we were watching Barrett. She brought up the Safe Haven Act where you can have adoptions, and she's adopted kids. So those are new members to the court. So I expect this to be significantly gutted, if not completely thrown out.